words appear. Whose Blind Life Is It Anyway? Presents, in association with Sterling Creation, Dining with Donna. Sponsored by VIP Tech.
Ho, 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 everybody, and I'm Donna J. Jodhan, your host for the Dining with Donna show. We are into the month of December. Lovely, lovely December. Dynamic December. I just adore December. So many things going on. So many people to see. So many people to catch up with. To share things with. To give things to go out caroling. Yeah. And to visit those long-term care homes where so many seniors are shut in, but just waiting for us to come in and shed or share some joy with them. Yeah, why not do it? Let's take a break from our kitchen and go in there and help them out. You know, folks, I am no chef and I am no culinary artist. What I am is just dear old Donna, who loves to go into her kitchen and create and share and chat with my friends and family as we experiment with recipes. We can make up our own recipes. We can follow recipes. We can, subtract from recipes. We can add to recipes. You see, there's so many things that we can do. The sky is the limit, and the imagination has no limitations, folks. We can do whatever we like when it comes to being in the kitchen, and I hope that my recipes are encouraging you, motivating you, and just simply sparking and stimulating your creative juices. All right. Thank you, Victor, for letting me come into, this kitchen to do what I love to do. Thank you for having enabled me to bring these shows to you every week. Thank you for everything, Victor. I do appreciate it. So, folks, what do we have for this week? As I said last week, for the month of December, we will be concentrating on desserts and fruits, okay? And for this week, we're going to look at, let's see, Easy Peach Buckle. Easy Peach Buckle. And if you have any questions at all, if you want a copy of this recipe, textual format of it, alternative format of it, please write to me at AskDonna on blindlife@gmail.com. That's AskDonna on blindlife@gmail.com. All right. Victor has also kindly provided textual versions of this in his show notes. Don't be afraid, you won't be left out. You can always, always, always get a copy of any of my recipes that you desire, or my tips at the end of my show. I'll be happy to send it to you. Just tell me what you're looking for, put it in the subject line, and I'll be pleased to send it along. Okay? Right, are we ready? Easy Peach Buckle. Okay, here we go. Let's see what we need as your implements or tools. Measuring cups as always, measuring spoons, mixing spoons, paper towels. See, you don't need that much. And I always say to people, you see those paper towels? They're a necessity in our kitchens because we need them to help us clean up unexpected and unwanted spills, unwanted, messes on our countertops, or to clean off our hands or clean off our containers or do any little thing that we need to do. All right, ready? Okay, So here is what you need for your ingredients, okay? You need two 16-ounce packages of peach slices, and make sure that they are thawed, okay? 2 16-ounce packages of sliced peaches, make sure they're thawed, okay? Or you can have 5 cups of fresh peach slices, okay? 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 1/3 cup of buttermilk, 6 tablespoons of canola oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and here we are. Now let me just do a little something here. Make sure I have everything. Okay. All right, so those are the ingredients that you will need. Here we go. We're ready to, are you ready to cook? Ready for business? You coat your crock pot with non-stick cooking spray. Now you have to forgive me, I forgot to add the crock pot as part of the implements that you would need. I'm going to put this in so that you know you won't forget to put this out when you're getting ready for this recipe. Okay? All right. Coat your crock pot with non-stick cooking spray. All right. Toss your peaches with your sugar and set them aside. Combine your flour, brown sugar, baking powder, cinnamon, baking soda, and salt. So you're combining your other ingredients in a medium bowl. Combine them now. Make sure you combine them well. Mix them up well, okay? Combine your oil, your buttermilk, and your vanilla in a small bowl and mix it well. So now you have 2 different mixing bowls, one with your dry ingredients and one with your other wet ingredients, okay? Then you stir your buttermilk mixture into your flour mixture. You're now going to combine both, okay? And do this until it's all blended together. Spread your batter evenly in your crock pot. Arrange your peaches on your batter. You cover it and cook on high for 1 to 2 hours, okay? Or until the buckle springs back when you touch it, okay? So you can either cook it on high for 1 to 2 hours or until the buckle springs back when you touch it, okay? Serve this warm. This makes 12 servings. Folks, this is one of my favorite desserts for December. Or you know what? It could be for any time of the year, but especially for this time of the year, it's wonderful. I love it. I hope you like it too. And like I said, if you have any questions. If you want a copy of this, you can either get it from the show notes that Victor provides, or you can send me an email at askdonnaonblindlife@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to send it to you. Just put in the subject line what you're seeking. But before I leave you for this week, I got a little present for you. It's all about tips. I love to share tips with people. Okay? Alright, so let's see what I have on my shelf this week as far as my tips are concerned. Alright, so it's all about having substitutions when you've run out of what you need, or making switches, anything like that. So it's in a pinch, right? Okay. So you're making something, you've run out, you suddenly realize, oh good Lord, I've run out of something I really need, or I need to make a switch because I don't have enough of something, all right? If you don't have any all-purpose flour for thickening gravy or sauce. If you don't have any all-purpose flour for thickening gravy or sauce, okay, here is what you do. Make a substitute like this: 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and you can also have or arrowroot. So 1 tablespoon of cornstarch or arrowroot, right? And you can add this to 2, if you have excuse me, if you're looking to have 2 tablespoons of flour, you can have 1 tablespoon of cornstarch or arrowroot, right? Or you can have 2 tablespoons of instant mashed potatoes, or cornmeal, or tapioca. Do not overload your baked goods with flour, okay? Or the food may be heavy. Now, this may be a bit confusing to you, but like I said, if you want an explanation, it's there in the show notes, or you can write to me and ask me for it. Happy to share it with you. But I'll just clarify for you what you do. If you don't have all-purpose flour, you can use a tablespoon of cornstarch, or a tablespoon of instant mashed potatoes, or a tablespoon of arrowroot as a substitute, and that will do the trick. There's another tip I have for you, but I'm not going to give it to you this week. I would like for you to read it in the show notes, or write to me at askdonnaonblindlife@gmail.com. This is it for me for this week, folks. I hope you're enjoying your month of December. Hope you're busy cooking and baking and shopping, greeting friends and catching up with friends and family. Right. Have a terrific day. Have a great rest of the week. Stay safe, stay well. Don't exhaust yourselves. Don't tire yourselves out. And we will talk to you again next week. Have fun, everybody, and see you.
You can catch Dining with Donna Wednesdays at 10 a.m. Eastern, 7 a.m. Pacific on Whose Blind Life Is It Anyway?